Okay, good.
Okay,
So,
good. Okay.
the first, the second, the third, or the fourth?
Who is gonna be the winner?
Hey, wait. It's hard to decide.
How many believe it's this one? How many believe it's this one? This one? This one? We're going with this one.
Wow! Anong grupo yan? Group na?
Wapang ang nanalo. Hindi nila kasan yung sigaw eh. Diba, may nagsasabaso no? Hindi, ganito na, dalanan niya yun. Okay. So the winner is, ito na bibigay ko ng ano.
Okay, lahat ng kwak-kwak. Kwak-kwak.
So we'll
Okay,
give,
bawi tayo sa susunod na
we'll give
games.
100 pesos for each person.
Wow!
How many people? 6? 600 pesos, bibigay natin. Pakibigay, Pastor Maricel, sa'yo mo muna naman. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're also going to give second place.
Wow! May second place na group na!
Yeah.
Wow!
6 also.
Six! Ramyo! Di ba Ramyo?
Sayaw.
Wow!
Yes. Kasi meron silang manger.
At may Jesus.
Yung isang wise man nila, ginawa nilang manger, kaya dalawa lang yung wise man. Okay, next game. Para naman sa... Ay, okay, ano na tayo? Spin. Spin the wheel,
Okay,
500
sino
pesos.
gusto makapanalo?
Okay.
Sino
Can we show
gusto
the wheel?
manalo ng 500,000 pesos? Kasi 500 pesos! Ayan!
Opo muna. Okay, let me do
Okay,
that.
upo muna po. Okay, kilala nyo kung sino yung grupo nyo ha.
Okay, 500 pesos. Let's show on the screen. Tingnan nyo sa screen.
Okay ha, dito po sa screen natin ilalabas ang maswerteng pangalan ng wapumono. Ayaw na akong masalita. Okay,